Happy chicky chickies. And today we're in the chicken coop. Just figured I'd share a little friendly, helpful winter tip. This is the time of year where chickens kind of have a hard time taking a dirt bath because the ground gets frozen and winter is setting in soon. So what I like to do to keep them nice and happy and healthy is I kind of make them a sandbox, like literally, so they can still take their dirt baths and still kind of eat like small little rocks and stuff to keep their digestion healthy too. So I literally make a box and put sand in it. But I add a few things too. Also, it's very beneficial. Add in some diatomaceous earth, and that'll help control any mite issues, because you don't want your chickens to get mites. That could be bad. Oftentimes they'll show up on their legs. You'll notice like their scales on their legs will be like pushed out, and you don't want that. We want healthy chickens. So keeping the diatomaceous earth in the sandbox, and I add some wood ash from the wood stove. I just kind of mix all these things in by hand, and I don't know, they seem to enjoy it all winter. Even if they're bored, they have something to do in here. So I just figured I'd share that little helpful tip to keep happy chickens. So, happy homesteading.